Hello, I am actually Burricks, and this is just a short explanation about the lesson plan that I've sent you. So, to start off with, I would like to say that I would like the beginning and the end of the class to be very similar. Something that the kids know will happen at the beginning and at the end of class. Something that they can expect and get used to. So, as a greeting, it will just be a simple hello teacher, hello student. And something that maybe later on we can add how are you, but just something simple that they can easily get used to at every class. After that, the greeting, then I would like to have a song that they can get used to in every class. It will be the same song every time. Perhaps throughout the year, if they get good at one song, we can change and pick another song, but there will be a song that they can learn at the beginning of each class. It will be a simple song, something based on their specific vocabulary needs. I haven't chosen the song yet, but I would need to know a bit more about the class for that. After the song, I would like to do some review from the previous lesson about letters A and B, just to make sure that they have retained that information and to just revise and to refresh that memory of those words and stuff, especially since we will be using it later on in the lesson. Then we're getting to the new information, the target language presentation, and this will just be a simple drilling exercise. Learn, what is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a dog. Just go through that, go through the pronunciation, go through all the words. Make sure that they know all the words. Then, just to give their little brains a rest, we will do some coloring in, specifically of the letters D. At this stage, they can choose which ones they want to color in: dog, a door, or doll. And then while they're coloring in, either I will be checking their homework, if they have any, or I will be trying to elicit D words out of them. So after we're done with the coloring in, then we will do a little craft based on the C words. Either car or cat. And I think a craft is very appropriate because one of the vocabulary words is cut. I would naturally cut everything for them before the class. However, except for one small item, like ears, the cat's ears, or the car's wheels, for example. And then the students would have to ask me to cut said item. I think it would be a simple question like cut car or cut cat, but at least they can understand what cut means. You can see examples of the crafts and of the coloring that I would like to use. I don't know how your institution feels about using any information off the internet, but I'm sure I'll find out later. Next, I would like to just go over the vocabulary one more time. This time, all the vocabulary, the A's, the B's, the letters and everything. So first I would go just over the vocabulary, not the letters. Make sure they remember all of that, and then go over the letters. It will probably be a bit more difficult for them. Ask them to pick which one is A, ask them to pick C, or maybe they can tell me which letter is what I'm showing. What am I showing? I'm showing B. So just get them used to the letters. Then after that, then we'll have a little game of duck, duck, goose, but a special variation where they will say dog, dog, cat. Depending on how much time there is, we can change dog, dog, cat to doll, doll, car, or cut, cut, dig. In this way, they can learn to listen out for those words, they can learn to speak them, and they can learn to pronounce them properly for the other classmates to know when to run. And then finally, just a little wrap up. As I mentioned before, I would like a song at the beginning and a song at the end, so we will sing the closing song, whatever that would be. And then they get to go home. I hope that's all you'd need, and yes.